Okay guys, so this is the rich part. Yung pinag-antay niyo talaga. Yaya. Okay. Yes po, madam. Ang tubig. Excuse po. Ano ba talaga yung nangyari sa inyo, madam? Ano yun? Wait a minute. Sina? Dito na pala. Sige. Hey. Wala talaga. Ay, nasa na yung close ko? Ito. Kaya, siyang close ko. Wait lang guys naman. Hihina na po kayo. Ano ba kasi yung mga kakabit? Why do you have to explain, okay? Dito lang. Ano mo yung siya? Yeah. Yes po, madam. Magpahinga muna ako. Kaya ko na yan. Try lang, guys. Hinihintay nyo yun. So, yun lang. Baka ako pa kakalitan. Balik ulit. So, guys, ngayon tayo i-check ng embarrassing videos ko noon. 6 years na to, guys. Ayan. 6 years na to, guys, ha. guys, update ko lang kayo. So guys, meron ko dito mga embarrassing videos araya. So Vivo lang to, noon pa to, mga 7 years. Ay. So hindi dito. Ito nga. Nasaan na ba talaga yung ano guys? Nasaan na ba talaga yung ano? Yung akin ano? Look. Sila ng beer. Nasaan na ba talaga yun guys? Guys. So, wala na pala dito. Video. No, ba dito? Wala. This is So, mag-create ako dito ng mga video kasi guys, noon. So, mag-call na lang ako kay daddy. Ay, ano pa yun? Ano pa yun? 0 9 at 7 9 9 0 0 7 6 1 2 1. Sige. Emergency call. Hindi daw. Remember how we laughed until we cried. Like the most of the things like we were so high. We belong. O sige. Tingnan niyo kung ano to. Ano naglalag guys. Huwag yun. Wala ko lala. So, tingnan nyo kung ano to sa Can't Buy Me Love, ano. Can't Buy Me Love. Can't Buy Me Love. Aray, sakit. Sakit na talaga. Aray. Sakit na talaga, guys.
Time that you were there, I know that I'd be lying if I didn't want you here. 'Cause baby, I'm in love.
So, Pogi, sige na. Yes, correct. Pogi, sige na. You're always on my mind. And so much. You're always on my mind. There's so much again. I think you gotta die when you win, yeah. So, yun yung kanta sa Can't Buy Me Love. Can't Buy Me Love, ha? Can't Buy Me Love. Kilala niyo si Ling at si Bingo? Don Bell? Kilala ko yun. Akala niyo, ha? Hindi ko kilala. Kilala ko. Walang eme be. Kilala ko yun. Noon. 2015. Okay, hanapin. So, tingnan niyo kung ano to. Ay, joke lang. Hindi yun. Hindi you'll be safe here. Hindi to you'll be safe here. Autumn to. Autumn na. Ay, joke lang. Hindi be you'll be safe here. Hindi nga. You'll be safe here. ako magparinig kasi hindi to you'll be safe here. Joke lang.
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspired.
Okay, so botikan ko magkanta. Yun yung gusto nyo.
Built our lives to make us feel alive. You know every way, so too shall I be.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here.
From this
Yan lang. Isip kayo. Pinapakanta, no? Ayaw ko nga eh. O sige, atom. Okay, atom. Autumn. Yan yung gusto nyo eh. Autumn. Yan. Autumn. Yan yung gusto nyo. Ay, karaoke. So, gusto nyo talaga ng karaoke. Response. Karaoke. Yan din. Karaoke. Ganun din lang. Autumn. Okay, sige. Autumn nights I can find myself in galleries and this because I miss you. You have to remind me of the pains of circumstance that you might notice. I'll be in case right here, you're in case of time. And yes, I'll call away from you. Why can't we be together, baby? Why does it take so long? Why can't we be together, baby? Should we keep holding on? Even when hope seems gone. Autumn leaves fall on me. They roll so as I walk along. I wish I was with you. I take your chance, hold your hand. You'd say no 'cause you're always been just a bit low-key. A part of me for daydreaming. I turn it up, I love for you. Why can't we be together, baby? Why does it take so long? Why can't we be together, baby? Should we keep holding on? Even when hope seems gone. Must we always be in different seasons? I don't wanna lose this. I hunger for your kiss. Gonna be a piece of your friendship and all of the madness, baby. I just wanna be with you. nyo. Ay, nako. Ano pa? My gosh. My gosh talaga. Ano na? Sige, tanggap ko. Basta tanggapin nyo ako Basta tanggap ko, mag-subscribe ka muna kayo. Ayaw ko pala sa inyo. Ayaw ko nga. Subscribe kayo kasi lagi na lang hindi ako sinusubscribe. Kasi para kami magkaroon ng pera. Ha? Para sa daddy ko. Subscribein nyo naman ako. Para maka 1,000 wala na kaming pera. Wala magawa si mama. Kundi wala din kami pangbili ng ice. Hindi kami makapagtinda. Hindi lang kayo nakaawa kasi para to kay daddy. Siya yung masuri ko dito. Siya yung nagpalaki sa akin. Hindi na ba kayo naaawa sa akin kasi hindi to fake news. Totoo talaga to. Kasi meron cancer ni daddy. Yung pambayad ay 2,000 million. Ba't kayo naawa? 2,000 million pangbayad. So, yun lang. I-post ko na.